Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution again. So in this video, we will see again the form elements itself. And in the previous video, we have seen the uh, almost like input element and the select element, label element, also option element. Okay. In this video, we will see about the text area. Okay. So what is a text area? For example, you might have seen the registration form or a contact form, any kind of forms. You might have seen that there is a message box will be there. Okay, so you can drop the more than 500 characters or 200 characters or 1000 characters you can drop. Okay, so we can take the means you can keep that message. Okay, so that where we can go for. Okay, so we can go with the text area. So which you can add the what multiple characters, okay, or you can drop the lines of message. Okay, so in this text area. So this text area is what the extendable. Okay, so let's see with a practical manner. So I have already one HTML file is there. In that HTML file, I'll create another form here. Okay, in this form, I'll create the what a text area. Okay, leave about the action. Okay, so in this, I'll create the text area. Text area. So in this text area, I'll not write it anything. Okay, I'm just giving it as a text area or the name you can give anything. Let me give it as a text area itself. Okay, here I'll just give it as a message. Okay, so I'm just making it. I'm not writing anything inside this thing. So let me go to live. Okay, you can see this is a text area. I can write anything here in this. So it will go like multiple lines. Okay, so it will be like a draggable. Okay, so you can see this is extendable. So how much we can do it, it will drag it. So this is what we call it as a text area. So I hope this text area is understood. Okay, so in the next videos we will see about the button and the field set legend. Okay, so until then, if you like this video, please hit on the like button, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching it, guys.